Hello and welcome to my channel. This time I'm gonna take you to Cyprus and to see Cape Greco Viewpoint. It's a really nice place to go if you wanna take a pictures for your Instagram or record a beautiful sunset. It's not too far from Napa, maybe like 8 miles. So if you have a car and you want to see something beautiful, you go. As you can see on this video, the part of the island is locked. That's because of erosion that happened like last or year before that. So they locked that part. You can go there. Yeah, it's beautiful there, but you just can't reach it all the way down there. So this is Cape Greco. You're gonna take a beautiful picture, so you need to be really careful when you walk on these rocks. So don't try if you have some light shoes or slippers. Just be careful. Best time to go there is around sunset. In my case, that was like 6:30 p.m. because the sunset is really amazing, as you can see. I mean, you're gonna see soon. Before everything, I wanna ask you to subscribe and follow me for more videos, and thank you for that. I am almost there, and I try to record everything with my GoPro. Yeah, and with my cell phone, as you can see on my video. Lots of tourists, so it was really crowded that day. I tried to record as less that I can, the people around me. And yeah, I took a lot of pictures with my phone. So my next video is sunset from this place. One more time, thank you.